Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As my lessons progress through the ABRSM Grade 5 Discovering Music Theory workbook, we move now to Chapter 8, where we look even further into the topic of instruments, terms and signs. And in this chapter, I help you to understand ornaments, which are notes which are embellishments to the main melody line, and we look particularly at trills, mordents, whether that's lower mordents or upper mordents. We look at acciaccaturas or grace notes, and we also look at appoggiaturas. Also in this chapter we encounter some more Italian and German musical terms, and I help you to revise these. Also do bear in mind that this is a cumulative. You still need to remember all of the terms, whether French, German or Italian, from grades 1, 2, 3, 4 and now these new terms in grade 5, and I give you little revision tips on how to best remember these words. In this chapter we also look a little bit more closely at the instrument of the piano. We look at terms and signs relating particularly to the piano, for example pedal markings or arpeggiation markings, or how to use particularly left hand or right hand in certain sections of the music. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything you need to know there. The links to this lesson are in the cards and in the description box below. And after this short video, you'll find sample examples from this lesson to show you exactly how I work with you step by step through each and every exercise. Once you feel that you're ready to take your ABRSM Grade 5 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for the exam, and also how to make the best use of your time when you're actually taking the exam. This book is available in either digital format or paperback. It's available from Amazon. You'll find the links to that in the cards and in the description box below. And also you'll find all the information that you need on my website if you visit www.sharonbill.com. Enjoy your studies. Bye.
So ornament number 1. Well, it's not a trill because we don't have an alternation of next door notes repeatedly. And it's not a lower mordent because although it goes down, it doesn't go back up again. And we can see that it's a turn because we can see above the note, that's the note itself, below the note, back to the harmony note. So we can see it's a turn. We can see that shape that the melody is following. So here we have a note that is almost a full crotchet, and we've just got this extra little one squished in. That's our crush note as we could think of it. The grace note, or the classical term is acciaccatura. We have 2 shared notes, and this is the main note, this is the ornament. And so the main note would be a minim, and that's A in the bass clef, but then we'd show the appoggiatura, and this one does not have a line through it. This shows that it's shared equally. We just slur that to join those together, and that just leaves us the last note of the bar.